back, little ones. Today we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Kies die woord met e. That means you're going to choose each word with a e. Ons gaan die regte woordjie kies met 'n e in die middel. I'm going to give you 3 words and a picture, and you have to see which word matches the picture. Are you ready? Here we go. Mes, nes, vet. Dit is vet. Ren, pen, net. Ren is die regte antwoord. Les, ses, mes. Ses. Ses, rem, nes. Jy is reg, dit is nes. Ken, pen, net. Die antwoord is net. Nek, rek, hek. Nek. Net, les, vet. Ja, die juffrou gee 'n les. Wen, hen, pet. Die antwoord is bed. Bel, hek, tel. Jy's reg, dit is bel. Pen, bed, wen. Wen is die antwoord? Wes, hen, wen. Hen. Nes, pen, net. Die antwoord is pen. Bel, rek, tel. Tel. Baie mooi, maats. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Thank you, everybody. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Be safe and take care. Bye.